Hi, my name is Muhammed Al-Dakheeli, and today I'm here with Building Digital to talk about the drones and their use on site. Here we have the DJI Mavic 3E. Okay, so first we have the drone itself. Then we take one of the batteries, make sure that it is fully charged. And we need the handheld as well. Also make sure that it's fully charged by clicking on the power button. It will show you how much has been charged for. So now we're going to unfold the drone and get it ready. So we open the arms of the drone. We attach the fully charged battery. And when we attach it, we make sure that you could hear the clicking sound. And now, since we're ready, we could open the camera. Make sure that to open it at the very end so you don't break the gimbal. And now we have the hand control. We need to open the antennas so it would be ready for use. As a first-time user, make sure that you have a fully charged battery on your drone and a fully charged battery on your handheld to make sure that you don't get disconnected. Also visit NAV Canada website to make sure that you're following all the instructions and all the limitations, and make sure that you're certified to fly in a certain zone. At the beginning, fly in an open area, practice, and then after that you could go and enjoy your drone, an area that you want to take images and videos. Drones are used on construction sites to help us to collect safety and inspection points and also to track the building progress. That would help the subcontractors and the clients to look at real data imaging from the drone and also make informed decisions that would help the project to become successful. I see a great future for the drones, especially with the AI that we are seeing nowadays integrating into our life. So with the use of AI, you could let the drone to fly autonomously, collect the data, and come back to its launching point. And also, maybe with the use of AI, could even help them to collect data more clearly, more accurately, and also it would digest all the data and would give us very accurate outcome.